Hi, in today's lessons, I will share with you how to remove as this report header, right? So for a price list. So to remove this first few lines, right, you can select this and then just select them manually and then just delete it. Like just that, right? To delete it, just control uh, uh, press the control and the D and the minus key together. Right. So, okay. So, is there any other ways to do that? The answer is yes, right? So, what we do is that we will load this into a Excel table, right? So, I kind of like need to turn this into an Excel table. So, I'm selecting them all, all of them. Okay, all of them here, and then uh, I press Ctrl T to turn it into an Excel table. So there is no helper. Just click OK. So basically is that. And then we now go to the data tab and choose from table and range. So the objective is to delete this first few lines here, right? So then there is a repeated items here that is okay, right? But what we want is really deleting uh, from here to here, the first few lines, right? So 1 to 7, right? So the first 7 lines. So I can go to the home tab, choose remove rows, and then click remove top rows. And then I can press the first 7 rows, right? So I just type. So it says how many rows to remove from the top. So I say 7 rows, right? Click OK. And that's it, right? But it seems like it removed the title as well. So I should go back to this on this area here, right? And you can either double click it to change it, right? You can double click to change back, or you can go to the this place here and change it to 6. So if it's 6, then the title here will be remains, right? So why is that so? Right? Let's just remove this as well, right? So what it do is that it's just if it's 6 is we are not counting this first as row. uh so we want only the sixth row. Oh yeah, that's right. We need the sixth row, so we just type 6 to do 7 is needed, right? But if I want to remove until here, right, it should be this rows and go to top rows here, change it to uh yeah, the 8. So the 8 rows, the first 8 rows, right? So I remove it, so it remains this. Okay. So why do we use that? Because that we might also want to remove this lines here. You can see that there's a lot more here to remove. Let's say I want to remove all these um, now rows, right? All these every rows here there's now, right? How do I remove that? I'll talk about this in the next video. Thanks for watching. So yeah, in today's lessons you learn about how to use remove rows, remove top rows, right? To remove the first few rows, right? You can also use if you want to remove the bottom of this worksheet. Let's say you want to remove at the bottom from the bottom, right? So this few lines here, right? You can do so by using remove bottom rows, right? And you have also alternate rows. And thanks for watching.